Embark on a mouth-watering journey to the sun-kissed shores of Greece in our video, Mysteries of the Mediterranean, uncovering the essence of Greek souvlaki. Join us as we explore the picturesque landscapes, lively tavernas, and the age-old traditions behind Greece's iconic street food, souvlaki. Our adventure begins in the charming streets of Athens, where the tantalizing aroma of grilled meat, fragrant herbs, and warm pita bread fills the air. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Greek cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting this beloved culinary delight. As we uncover the culinary magic behind Greek souvlaki, you'll witness the skillful hands of local grill masters at work. Succulent marinated meats are expertly grilled to perfection, wrapped in soft pita, and garnished with fresh vegetables and tangy tzatziki sauce. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that embodies the heart and soul of Greece. But souvlaki is more than just a meal, it's a reflection of Greece's rich heritage and the love of simple, honest flavors. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the bustling markets of Thessaloniki, where street vendors serve up the best souvlaki, to the tranquil islands of the Aegean, where the freshest ingredients are sourced. Discover the significance of souvlaki in Greek culture, where it's not just a dish but a celebration of family, togetherness, and the joys of life. It's food that brings people closer, fostering a sense of camaraderie, festivity, and shared love. Mysteries of the Mediterranean is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and the warm hospitality of Greece. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary exploration through souvlaki, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this dish a symbol of Greek culture. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the sun-drenched streets and idyllic islands of Greece by the captivating stories and mouth-watering flavors that await you in Mysteries of the Mediterranean, uncovering the essence of Greek souvlaki.